Hi, welcome to Excel in Life. This is the 5th episode of VBA tutorial, and we are developing TextTools software. Today we will learn how to make Userform. If you want to become a software developer in Excel VBA, then this video is for you. Up to the last episode, we were discussing basic things of VBA. This episode onwards, we will start developing our TextTools software. Topics covered in this episode: various components of Userform, how to make Userform. Let us understand each components of Userform used for our TextTools application. The Userform object is a dialog box that makes up part of an application's user interface. This allows any application to get input from the user. Userform acts as a container in which you add multiple ActiveX controls. Each of control has a specific use and associated properties. Caption property of Userform displays the text in the title bar. Label is used to display text or information. Text box. It is used to take input or display text. Option button is used to select only one choice from multiple options within a group. Check box. This control is used to specify or indicate binary choice that is true or false. Command button. This is used to run a macro or procedure. We will see property of each control after some time when we will use them. There are some other control like combo box, list box, which we have not used in this application. Write to me in the comments section if you want to know about them. Now we will make the Userform. Please watch this carefully. Here you will learn beginner to advanced technique to make Userform. I have shared many tips which will help you to make this faster. Let us first open VB Editor. To insert a Userform, go to Insert menu, then click Userform. Userform 1 is inserted, which is presently blank. This is the property window. You can view or change any property of Userform and ActiveX control from here. This is the toolbox where you can see control buttons are available. First, change the caption of Userform as TextTools. This will be shown in the title bar. Now, let's start placing various controls on the Userform. First, we will place frame. Frame is a rectangular object that groups related controls into one visual unit. Give the caption, add text to cells. Enter label and change caption as text. Place a text box beside that where user will enter text. Below that, place option button. Change the caption to add to left. Here is a quickest way to copy this to right other option. Drag this with mouse after pressing Ctrl key. This way you can duplicate any object very fast. Now change individual caption as add to right. Add at. Place a text box next to add at. To get input a numeric value where the text will be added. Enter a label. Rename as from left. Write last option as don't add text. Once this is done, duplicate this group by dragging frame control after pressing Ctrl key. Change the frame caption as change case. Then delete unwanted object. Select options buttons and position them properly. Change the caption of individual option as uppercase, lowercase, proper case. Sentence case. No change. To make the third group, drag and drop add text group pressing Ctrl key. Change the caption of the frame to delete characters. Then change the level text to number of character to delete. Text box will remain where user to enter number. Change the first option as delete from left. Delete from right. Delete at. And don't delete. Let us do some modifications. Next we need command button. Change command button 1 to OK and command button 2 to cancel. Enter 2 check box. Rename as trim excess space and include numeric cells. Now let us run the user form to check the output. We could see vertical spacing between controls or more, which we can reduce. Select all control. The Godot format. Vertical spacing, decrease.
Oh no!
This is not what we are looking for. This is a common mistake people use to do during formatting controls. Let us understand the correct way of doing it. Press Ctrl plus Z to undo. Now select controls from the left side only and decrease vertical spacing. Now it is properly aligned. Position other objects in the required area. Similarly, reduce the vertical spacing from other groups as well. This time putting command buttons inside a frame to look better. Run this user form to check the output. We have observed some issue, which needs to be fixed to get visually more appealing. The height of some letters needs to be corrected. It is common that you may not like your first layout. You have to run again and again and fine-tune for the betterment. There are a lot of options given in the Format menu for alignment, which you should always check. After some fine-tuning, this is our final interface for TextTools software. With this episode, you have seen how to make a user form from the scratch. In our next episode, we will write the associated code to run this application. So, don't miss our next episode. Request you to browse Excel in Life. Here you will get videos related to Excel function, Excel chart, Excel VBA, healthy lifestyle, meditation and sound therapy. Please support my channel by joining membership program. You will get various perks, which consists members only video, personal guidance etc. Till then, goodbye.